Hey everyone, welcome back to day 16 of the 30-day AI Profit Challenge. I'm Mark, and today we're going to dive into an incredible tool that I found here. It's called Vectorshift.ai. If you're looking to optimize your workflows, automate your tasks, and gain a competitive advantage using AI, then you're going to want to pay attention to this one. Vectorshift.ai offers some capabilities of leveraging AI in your business projects, creativity, and I'm going to walk you through a few of those today. If you're just joining us, be sure to catch up on earlier days of the challenge by clicking the link above and start from day one to join the AI journey. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a single day of the challenge. And if you haven't already done so, grab your free AI checklist from the link in the description below. Follow along and make the most out of the challenge. Okay, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and jump into Vector AI, or Vectorshift.ai. And it's a no-code platform, automations, so forth. This is a nice little thing, but you can get an idea. You put the input and you basically make a bot, your own bot. There's lots of integrations that you can do from Google Drive to OneDrive, Salesforce, all of these that you see listed here, as well as it uses many language models and more actually than just this here. So what about the pricing? Well, I'm just on the starter plan, which is completely free. I can only do one chat bot at a time. So we're going to go ahead and dive in and try to figure this out here together. I think it's a pretty cool product though, overall, especially if you're looking at expanding your AI portfolio and what you can do with it. So when you first log in, you're going to go over to pipeline. That's where you actually start out with anything. You're going to create a new pipeline. And if we look in here, there's some simple stuff already made. I'll go ahead and start with a simple chat bot. And pretty simple, self-explanatory here. If you're using OpenAI, you can use your own API. By clicking here, you add it in, and then you pick the model that you want to do. You can change and adjust fields like this over here. Let me close that out there. Whoops. You can add other LLMs, OpenAI, Anthropic, Llama, Coercion. I mean, there's quite a bit. Perplexity would be a great way to use it. You can add your knowledge base, so you can upload and knowledge base integrations, so you can integrate any of these tools. As you can see, there's quite a few of them. It's quite extensive in what you can do with it. So one of the things that I like to play around with as well is make.com. This is going to be like Make on steroids. You can have a lot more granular control over what you're doing. That's the data loaders, so you can get information from a lot of different places. You can even do speech to text, all kinds of stuff in this thing. It's a great thing. Change your logical portion up, splits, different things like that. And then, of course, your data collector, your memory, make sure it remembers everything that's being said. Let's go back to a pipeline here. We're going to delete that because we're only allowed to have one, as I said, because I'm on the free version. But let's take a look at some of these other pipelines that are in here that are pretty interesting. So if you want to have it answer emails, like search semantic data driven, send drafts, Google Sheets, it can interact with Google Sheets assistants, send email drafts, search Gmail, lots of different things that these can do. Productivity wise, AI with Google search templates. So if we go ahead and open up this, we'll just take a quick look. I'm going to show you a couple of these. It's actually it's quite a bit more complex than the other one. So input field, so the user asks a question, and then it goes to retain it over here. But if we take a look down here, we have you received your question, your job is, and it tells you, again, use a personal key. You can change the LLM that you want in here if you want to. Other things you can do, as you can see, it goes through and queries things, semantic searches. This is quite complex on this one here. And then I just wanted to show you a couple of, I don't want to take too much of your time with it. So we'll go ahead and go back to pipelines. We're going to delete this one as well. And then they actually have a marketplace where they have a lot more in-depth pipelines that you can purchase. So let's go ahead and take a look at. So, oh boy, all kinds of stuff in here. Chat with a website, that one's pretty popular. So we can actually order, yeah, we'll go ahead and keep it at top likes. That'll give us the ones that are going to have the best. Why is it showing the lowest likes now? Top likes, sort order. All right, well, we'll just go to hot. That'll work, maybe. Right, let's go back here. We'll figure it out here together. All right, there we go. So we have 5 likes, 1 like, 7 chatbot on vector sample shift description. Simple chatbot template allows you to ask questions and queries. A vector solution. All right. Vector shift chat on. Let's see if we can find another one that has a AI assistant for compliance detection. That's not a bad idea. All right. Simple chatbot template generator. Data collection for Slack, sales, chats. So you can see the quite a bit. Here's a blog generator. Whoop, where'd that go? So we can go blog, and go into here and see what it comes up with. Blog article generator template, blog article generator. Let's just go ahead and go into this one and see what this one looks like. So description, input text, audience, the pipeline will generate a blog article for the audience about a topic with the same style. Okay. So you can input the topic here, audience, who you're looking for. Let's go ahead and try to topic. I don't know, container gardening, and then audience, stay at home moms, tone, friendly, example text. We don't want to do anything. Let's see what happens. Generate and see what it comes up with. I might need to add a. Well, this is OpenAI, so it should run because you get credit when you sign up for the free account. Not sure what it's going to turn out to be, but we'll let that run. I'll go back over here real quick. So like I said, you get with the free one, no credit card required. You just sign up. You get 1 chatbot, 1 gigabyte of storage file, 1 knowledge base, 100 number of vectors stored, total number of vectors uploaded. That resets every month. 1 integration. So you can actually integrate this into your website or whatever, wherever you want to use it. Whoops, wrong one. Let's go back to the market and see how that turns out. Welcome to Green Thumbs and Plant Enthusiast. You often find yourself feeling cope. All right, see, I would change some things in this, but it's not overall, it's not that bad. And then you would download it and get that taken care of. But that's a brief overview of Vectorshift.ai, and I think it's a great tool you should check out. Tomorrow we're going to look at some more interesting things and can't wait to see it. It's a little surprise.